So I started coming down to switch laundry. And I'm stripping some towels. I realized that I haven't shown you our newest addition. If my veggie garden walkthrough comes out first, you'll already know what I'm talking about. But we have chickens! We got 6 of them. 6 little babies. It's time to switch their food and fill their water for the night. We have, oh, hold on. We have that dill pickle. Let me see. This one's marshmallow.
She likes sitting up there.
She does. She likes being up tall. We have another Americano white down there that is lemon curd. Yeah. Run! That one's lemon curd. And then
Alright, come on.
with the red light on, I can't. Ouch. Whew, now it's just really yellow. Oh, you're okay. Is that one buckbeak?
I think so.
No, that one's marshmallow, lemon curd, buckbeak. Ooh, there we go. Buckbeak. And then we have dill pickle. That one's caramel. That one's mulatto. She's smaller than the rest of them.
Although I think she's growing to be bigger than,
Yeah, she's gotten bigger than some of them.
Dill pickle's kind of the runt now, it seems like.
Get out of the water. So yeah, we have no idea what we're doing. None at all. We're kind of flying by the seat of our pants and hoping that it works. But these little chickaroos are almost 2 weeks old. They'll be 2 weeks tomorrow. We need to get some sand in here for them. They enjoy the sand. But it's time for their nighttime routine, as I tell the boys. You get some more pine shavings in there and empty that out, get it filled. Empty that out, get it filled. And then we can turn the lights off and it's going to be bedtime for them. And then we'll do it again in the morning.